너무 맛있다. So delicious.好吃. Hello everybody. Welcome to Babshi Home Cooking channel. Today I will introduce souffle. Souffle is from French food, and this meaning is popped up. You know, it's very much big, and then now it's this very much this funny this food, but very delicious. I tried already, and then we need today I use 5 eggs, and then use omelette, and you will be very surprised. You know. Okay, now I will introduce the ingredients: 5 eggs and sugar and salt. We will make now. First, we put here. For here, yes. Divide the yellow. Nice, huh? Very nice. Professional. More and more professional. It's nice. Huh? Yes. Nice. Okay. I make this split a little bit sweet split. Do you know? It's a split. It's different kinds of salt and sweet. Today I make this sweet. So maybe I put this 2 spoons and then just a little salt. You know, only sweet is not good. And then first we mix. And we make now this white egg, this foam. Nowadays, you know, people stay at home, and then nowadays is Korea very popular. This 1,000 times doing, you know. So now I'm doing. I put this little sugar because when we make this foam like this, thousand times. Do you know? They say 1,000 times, but my opinion, 1,000 times is not enough. I put here a little bit oil, and we have to little bit waiting. Now first we put this egg, yellow. Beautiful. Very nice. And we close this cap, and we waiting for maybe 4 minutes, and we wait. Yes, we open. Wow. Beautiful. It's amazing. Yes, try here. Wow. It's nice. Yes, look at it. Yes. Wow. Amazing. It's very, very hot. Wow. Ready? Very nice. Oh, you see? Look at this. Thank you.